going on, guys? Nicksbankrpt here with a new video today. So we're changing the battery on the Lamborghini Huracan, and something happened. You'll probably know by the name of the title. We're gonna get that fixed. Huge shout out to the shop that's fixing it. I'll go ahead and mention them in a bit. We're changing the battery on this car, and it is so complicated. We literally have the whole tub sitting in my passenger seat of the Huracan because it's that complicated. Literally have to take everything out of the front in order to get this car's battery to be exposed. I just woke up, I'm tired, so I'd really appreciate if you guys could subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below what you want to see done to the Huracan or what future videos you want to see. I have this tub sitting in the car. I hope the interior does not get damaged. I'm getting a lot of anxiety right now. Leather dash, leather seats. I don't know, it's not looking too good, honestly. We're gonna take it easy and drive really slow so nothing gets all over the place. Let's get this video started. Once again, if you guys haven't subbed already, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, it's easy, and I'd really appreciate it. It means the world to me. So guys, stay tuned to this video. It's gonna be crazy, and don't skip. Alright guys, so we just changed the battery right now. We put a Bosch battery in the Huracan. So we just got to wheel performance. We're gonna fix the Lamborghini wheels because my sister crashed my Lamborghini. The wheels are destroyed. I put Sharpie to touch it up. I haven't really told anyone, only a few people really know, like the boy Spence. Yeah, we're gonna fix these rims. Thank God there's no body damage. It's just hit an island, so we're chilling like a curb. So tough times, but you know. Huge shout out to Wheel Repair Performance for fixing these rims. If it wasn't for them, the rims would not be fixed. I probably would have taken a much longer time to repair them. We just got here right now. I'm gonna go show you guys the process of how to repair these wheels and stuff like that. Spence, you want to say anything? Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the process of how it works and all of that stuff. It's gonna be pretty sick. And we got some new 2 front tires, no donuts, because the rears already were changed. Unless Spencer wants to buy them. Alright guys, so Spencer is gonna show us the new machine that they got here.
It's pretty cool.
This is the boy that works here. What was your name? Want to introduce yourself? Daniel? Yeah. Alright, he's gonna show us the machine that does all the work. I've seen them change 666s. It's insane.
So this is a diamond blade CNC cutting machine.
That's crazy.
Diamond cut. Watch it.
What, it's gonna change?
No, it's
That's crazy. What the hell? Alright guys, so huge shout out to Wheel Performance Corp. Literally are hooking it up right now. They're helping us fix this car to get it looking like it was. Also huge shout out to Roselli's for an auto repair. We got the wheel lock for the Huracan because they like making it complicated. Lamborghini makes everything super hard for us. But yeah, so we're taking both wheels off right now. We're stripping them down. Alright guys, so we're currently removing the tire right now off of the Lamborghini Huracan wheel.
The fun part would be when it comes out of the oven.
When it comes out of the oven?
And then when we're powder coating, that's gonna be the fun part.
Alright, that's sick. Alright. Alright guys, so we're gonna rinse the wheel off right now. Just so you guys can see it one more time. Here's the damage. Damn, it looks horrible.
I'm gonna take that wheel out real quick.
Wait, it's gonna go down to that? Were those painted before?
These were black before.
With paint?
Yeah, they're just like yours.
Holy crap. I can't wait to see it, I'm honestly excited. Went from black to alloy. I didn't even know that's how it was, honestly. As stupid as that may sound. It's pretty strong, dude.
Probably shit, huh?
Yeah, is this stuff cancerous?
I'm sure it is.
I'm sure it is. I'm gonna step out. This guy got burns from the acetone. Are you serious? Alright, what's happening right now?
I'm gonna wash the wheel, get all the brake dust off. I can have it ready for sandblasting. Media blasting.
What is it called?
Media blasting.
Media blasting? Alright guys, we got a little of an issue. The wheel's too wide to fit in there with this piece in there. So taking that out right now. Dude, oh my god, that's insane. What's that orange stuff right there?
This is the media. This is 80 grit. 80 grit is pretty rough.
Yeah.
So they call it media, but it's kind of like a sand of some sort. It's aluminum oxide actually. You see how the finish is all dull now. It eliminates a lot of the top coat. Saves us a whole lot of time. We used to have to scuff these by hand.
Oh no way.
Yeah, before we got the machine, you know.
That's insane.
We used to do everything by hand now. It's a lot better. You get better results too.
There it is guys, after it's sandblasted. It looks pretty crazy. Honestly, low-key like it like this. If my car was white, I'd like rock it, honestly. Not gonna lie.
Ultra flat finish.
Yeah, I don't know, it looks pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're putting in some covers.
It's etching tape, so you don't get any powder coat for your actual bolt scope. That's a safety hazard. You know, you want your hub in the back to be etched off as well as your bolts. That way, in the future, you don't have any problems with your wheels not tightening up. Or It's the cleanest way to do your job.
Yeah. And I'm sure a lot of people take shortcuts on that, right?
Yeah, a lot of people lay their powder on top of that, and it's not good. You know, it's a sloppy job.
Make sure when you get your wheels done, you come to a place like this. If you're not in the area, if you are in the area, come check them out. This is like 10 out of 10 work. At Wheel Performance Repair, there's no shortcuts right there. Look at that. Fully protected. This does not melt in the oven.
Super heat resistant.
Yeah, super heat resistant. That's super crazy, honestly. Yeah, this is the oven, guys. Oh my god, this thing looks crazy. Dude, what the hell?
The other half is still gotta peel, but all this stuff is like just residue.
Yeah, I can't even breathe. That's how it looks when you take it out of that. What is that stuff again?
Stripping acid.
Paint stripping acid, there you go. So how much longer are you thinking for this until it gets done?
Whatever residue is left from there, I'll torch it off. Sandblast it and get it prepped.
How much longer until you think this will be completely done?
I'm thinking about 4 o'clock. The wheels should be out of the oven by 4 o'clock.
Is that painted or unpainted?
That's with the brand new powder coat.
Oh, sick, that's crazy. The car is gonna look so much better, honestly. It's unbelievable, it's gonna look amazing. All right, want to see something pretty funny though? Got an Audi logo right here. You got the Volkswagen and Audi logo right there.
Oh, yeah.
You got an Audi logo right there. Audi logo here.
Yeah, I think Volkswagen owns Lamborghini.
Yeah. Volkswagen Audi group.
Bentley.
Yep.
I think Bentley as well. Yeah.
This is the final look at how it looks after, what is that stuff called?
Stripping
Yeah.
Almost all of the old powder coat, but now you're left with a little bit of like old stuff that was still on there.
Gotcha.
However, though, that gets torched off with acetylene.
Alright guys, so here we have the torch, and he's about to light this up. No, I'm just kidding.
The little seam.
Yeah.
So try to replicate this is completely gone. So I kind of grinded it inwards.
Yeah.
So you could kind of still see a line of some sort. You know what I'm saying?
just saw the end result right now, and this looks phenomenal. Like, this is crazy. That looks literally amazing. We have this one going in. Where was the damage at? You remember?
We fixed it too good.
We fixed it too good.
Well, it's right here.
And it looks literally like all the other spokes. All right, now let's see this get painted. Alright guys, so pretty much it like gets on here as satin, and as it gets like in the oven over time, it's gonna start developing that glossy look. That is like insane. I'm like literally blown away. That's so sick. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I don't even know which wheel's damaged, honestly. I don't even know where the damage is, so I can't even tell you guys where it was. Yeah, I don't know what spoke it is. You know what spoke it is?
I'm not too sure. I don't even remember which one it was.
Yeah, same.
I think it was this one right here.
Was it this one?
Yeah, I believe it was this one right here.
Guys, look at that. Look at that. That looks literally insane. You're not gonna get a better job elsewhere, honestly, guys. Come check them out for like the millionth time. Look at that. You can't even tell where the damage was. The paint looks better than it did when I picked it up from the dealership. This is like literally insane. Guys, so like I've never really paid attention to this, but the laser will literally point exactly where it needs to go, and it shows you up on screen. That's incredible. Look at that. Alright guys, so we just put the wheels on. We changed the front 2 tires on the Huracan because one of the tires were torn. Here's the torn tire. We have new tires on the Huracan, 2 brand new repainted wheels. Huge shout out to Wheel Repair Performance. The wheels look amazing, literally. Now we're just torquing up the wheels to make sure they're at perfect spec. Shout out to Rift. Sounds amazing. Here, listen in Corsa mode. I don't know. It's crazy, right? Yeah. Sounds insane. Alright guys, so we got the boys Spence here with us. What do you think about the wheels, honestly, bro?
No, they're pretty good.
They look perfect, right?
Oh yeah.
They look literally perfect. You can't even tell that the rims are damaged.
Here's your boy Sal at Wheel Performance in San Jose.
Yep, Wheel Repair Performance. Hit them up. There's the phone number. That's the work right there. There's an RA and there's also a Bentley.
They also do powder coating right there. That's
That's the powder coating room.
They also do Expel, PPF, wraps, and Ceramic Pro certified here. One-stop shop, man.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button, hit that like button. Comment down below on what you want to see done to the Huracan, or if you ever want to see Spencer in the videos again. If not, we're kicking him out. No, I'm just kidding. Shout out to this guy for honestly bringing me here. I had no idea about this place, but major shout out to him, honestly.
You're welcome. I gotta go settle the bill for you with them right now.
I appreciate everyone so much for watching till the end. And if you haven't already,
Like, comment, and subscribe. Never settle.
remember, never settle.